Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. Guess what? Today is our last day for our mystery quilt. We are making our block number 12. I am so excited for you. Block 12 is amazing and you are pro in making this block and cutting the pieces. So let's get to it and let's make block number 12. We're gonna make 16 of them and it is just beautiful. Just to refresh for anybody that are just joining us in, we did a block. This is our mystery quilt. All the information can be found on our website at Laundry Basket Quilts, and we have all the cutting directions and everything posted on our blog, so you can go ahead, join in, do your blocks, and enjoy little mystery quilt. And the results, as you're gonna see soon, are just amazing. So let's have some fun together. Now I'm working with a collection called Bluebird, so I'm using blue and light fabric for my quilt. The fabrics are available on our website. We have a little bit more half-yard cuts. I don't know if there's any left of the fat quarters, but go visit our website and you will find the fun things that you need to make this quilt. I'm gonna use today 2 light fabric and 1 dark fabric. Those are fat quarters that I'm cutting from. I'm gonna be cutting strips, and I'm gonna start by cutting, because I'm making 16 blocks. I need 2 strips for my light fabric right here. I'm gonna get 8 pieces out of 1 strip, and because I need 16 blocks, I need 2 strips. I'm gonna use 4 strips in this light fabric, and I'm also gonna need 2 strips in the blue. The strips are 3.5 inches, so 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 on a width. The length of the strips are 20 inches, and you're gonna need 2, 4, and 2. All right, so we have our strips cut. I like to make strip sets for cutting, and in this case I have 1 blue, 2 of the matching lights, and 1 of the different light. So there are 4 all stuck together, because with 1 cut I get all the pieces that I need for 1 block like this. Isn't that awesome? So nice and quick, super easy. I'm gonna place my template. I'm using template B to cut it. So from template B, I'm gonna place my template, match it with the bottom, and cut. And I'm gonna use my rotary to cut it. So just like that. And quickly, I have all the pieces cut. When you wanted to, you can also use our Alaska ruler just by placing on the strip sets right there, and you're gonna measure 3.5 right here, match the bottom line, and again you can go ahead. Oh, let me turn this board so I don't have to turn. I'm learning with time to use my board. Did you see it? So right there I cut it. Perfect. I have all my pieces cut, and you're gonna cut 16 times. 16 times, because you need 16 sets like this for 16 blocks. Perfect. And this is going to be amazing, because now we're gonna line up our block. We need the light, we need the dark, we need this cute little light accent, and this right here. And we're gonna begin by sewing the blue with the light. We match them exactly. We're gonna sew it using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I'm using this wonderful Microtex sharp needle. The next step, it is going to be to open up the back on the seams just like that, and we have the 2 lights that go on each side. We're gonna start with the first one by placing it right sides together just like this, and remember, you can use your templates to mark the sewing lines. So what I'm going to do is, oh, I lost my pencil someplace. I'm using this sew line pencil that I could mark the points here and here, and once I mark them, I'm going to go ahead and pin it. Now, because this is my last block, I know exactly where to pin it, and you're going to do it too. So let's go ahead and pin that for ourselves. Super. Let me pin it, and right there, this point should have been right here. Yep. And I'm gonna sew it from here straight down. As soon as you finish sewing, look at this, I'm gonna go ahead, flip this right open, press it with the little tool just like this. Look at this, isn't it lovely? And that seam allowance is gonna go towards this background fabric. Then I'm gonna place my next triangle. Look at this. Again, I'm gonna pin it, and I have one already pinned for me right here. Look at how nice I can see it through where I need to be, and I just go ahead and sew it. And as soon as you finish sewing, you're gonna open this up and you have this beautiful unit right here. And you're gonna have to do this 16 times to make a beautiful block like this. So right there, your block number 12 is finished and all the blocks are completed. Now we just have to lay our blocks up, sew them to the rows, sew rows together, and create a slice of a pie that it's going to end up to be the most beautiful quilt. We're gonna make 8 of those and then put them together to a quilt. But all of this in our next video and on our blog, where I'm gonna show you the whole layout of the quilt and give you an option to, if you would like to, add a border to your quilt. So happy quilting! And thank you so much for joining us for such a wonderful mystery quilt. I'm so excited. I hope you're loving your quilt and loving your blocks. Please be kind to yourself. If things are not matching up, it is just a matter of practice. So please keep going. Don't give up. And after making 16 or 8 of them, you're gonna be a pro in those kaleidoscope quilts. So happy quilting, and I look forward to see you next time for the reveal of the mystery quilt and to show you how to put all your blocks together.